Welcome to another episode of Good Cooking, and today we're going to show you how to make an easy oven pizza for Super Bowl Sunday. I got the dough. You're going to want to let it sit out for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. That way it gets nice and pliable. If it's too cold, it's not going to stretch. I actually have a store-bought pizza dough because I didn't feel like making it. And I suggest if you're going to do this for Super Bowl Sunday, you buy a bunch of these. You can go to your local pizza shop. I went to a place called Italy, which I really like. They sell pizza dough, so I bought it. And I got a little fresh mozzarella. And you want to use semolina flour because it helps it not stick to the pizza peel. And also when you're working it, doesn't get it stuck to your countertop. So let's see how this goes. So I'm just going to take some semolina flour. Make sure your counters are nice and clean too. Dump my dough just from the inside and pushing out. Start spreading the news. Now as you stretch this and as we toss it between our hands, the flour will fall off, so don't worry about that. This is nice. We're not sticking to the counters. We're not sticking to our hands here. How you feel about this?
Wow, real professional.
A little back and forth. And then we're gonna just take, our knuckles here, start stretching. What you wanna do is on your peel, make sure you get a little flour. The semolina flour is great because it really gets it to roll off that peel. Lay it like this, Ben. Start building a crust. I'm just doing it like this. I want to make it nice and thin, so that's what I've done here. And listen, I'm not a pro here, obviously, but I'm just trying to get it nice and thin. Ben, are you excited about this pizza or what?
Sure.
Why not, right? What's better on a Super Bowl Sunday than a nice pizza?
Wings.
I guess. I don't really care about the Super Bowl because, well, the Jets and Giants combined are a 4 and 34 team city, I guess. They suck.
You want to try that again?
No, I hate football. Just gonna put a little sauce right in the middle. Take a nice ladle. I like to get it closer to the end of the crust. Ben, you ever make pizza growing up?
Never.
You ever went to like some party as a kid and they were like, we're gonna make pizzas?
Yeah, I hated it.
Really?
Yeah, just order the thing.
Wow, okay. Very hostile. And we got our little mozzarella cheese. I cut this very, very thin. You want to drain it and you want to get it as dry as possible. You don't want it watery on your pizza.
So we're filming this right before the playoffs are about to start.
Yeah.
Do you have a Super Bowl prediction?
I think Denver is a very good team. Patriots are a very good team. Are they battle tested? I don't know. Everybody's making a big deal of Drake May, but it may not be his year.
For a guy who claims to hate football.
Well, I hate New York football.
You got right.
I mean, even if they combine teams, they would still be under 500. How is that possible?
They should have that. They should have an A and a B team for New York.
No. What they should do is they got the Jets, they got the Mets, they got the Nets. All of these teams that end in ETS, dead. They're all dead. They should combine them all. Actually, let them take a year off. Regroup, throw the Giants in there. Actually, just throw the Yankees in there too because they suck. The Knicks, they're gonna blow it. It doesn't matter. Anyway, listen, let's get back to pizza making. So you wanna make sure you get a lot of the moisture out of the cheese. Do that a couple of hours ahead of time. All right, Ben, I'm wearing more of this semolina flour than I got on the actual table, but that's neither here nor there. We got a cheese pie going, and we're gonna make a pepperoni, and so let's get it going.
How do you feel about a Super Bowl party?
I don't like it. I don't like when people come over. That's the problem. I don't want to get caught talking to somebody in the corner about their job. You know what I'm talking about? Wearing a Patagonia vest. I'm good. I don't want to talk to you. I don't care that your kid has practice on Saturday. I don't care. I'm here to hang out, bust a little chops, have a few drinks, have some good food, and keep it going. You know what I'm talking about, Ben? Do you like a Super Bowl party?
I hate a Super Bowl party because you never actually end up watching the game.
That's the other problem.
And then you end up watching the game with someone who pretends to know football and they don't. I don't need to sit next to a guy going, oh, big third down coming up.
Not good.
If I'm gonna watch the game, I'll watch it at home.
Not good. Now, we are going to put this on our baking steel. You get that to 525 degrees and then you let it sit for an additional 40 minutes so you get that baking steel extremely hot because we want to get a nice crispy crust and hopefully we get a nice thin crust pizza and it is absolutely delicious in about 8 or 9 minutes. All right, so we just slid this thing out of the oven and I think we got ourselves a nice crispy pizza, Ben. I mean, it looks pretty nice. It's got nice color. Should we get the old Dave Portnoy undercarriage? Oh yeah. All right, so let's just give it a nice cut. Oh, how about that? A little crunchy there. Gotta cut that pizza all the way through. So once you give it a nice cut, throw a little basil on it, ready to serve. You can be doing these all day. This is the way to go. You know, you got your traditional foods on Super Bowl Sunday. You got your wings, your chips, your dip, and then you're gonna order a pizza. That's gonna take 2 hours. It's gonna be cold by the time it comes to your door. Or you're gonna order Domino's and that guy's gonna sit on it for 14 minutes while he drives it to your house. You don't need it because you can do it right in your house. We got a beautiful baking steel and we're making fresh pies. Let's do it. As always, if you want this recipe, it's in the description below. And from our house to yours, bon appetit and enjoy the game. Ben, what are they saying? No flop, right? Nice and airy. Look at this. I think we did a pretty good job, Ben.